So I'm here at the Arkansas State Capitol, where a guy by the name of Kipp Brown, who was a Black Lives Matter activist, threatened to tear down the Confederate statue. It looks like about, I don't know, 200 to 300 folks came in support of the statue, bikers from all over the state and maybe nation, and other folks waving American flags, looks like probably some Trump flags. There are people here that have assault rifles, as you would call them. Actually, there's no such thing as an assault rifle, but you understand. Hey Gwen, hey Topher. Yeah, and it doesn't look like, I was trying to see where the guy himself was, and I can't see where he is. So here's some other Black Lives Matter people that are kind of wandering in. If you notice, nobody's really talking to them. Nobody's really saying much of anything. It's all kind of really creepy, like quiet. Nobody's, yelling. Which one where? The guy in the black shirt? And I'm a little off center here, but I had to wanted to get in the shade here so I didn't roast. There's another guy, looks like he's filming or taking a picture. Like he's right filming at me. Where did Dan Whitmore go? Oh, he's still talking with somebody at random. But this looks kind of like a big nothing burger that was done. I don't even see the guy himself.
Hey, hello you, man. How you doing? Why are these guys out there? Originally there's a protest for
Oh yes, there is. There is one animal here, and he is in support of keeping the Confederate statue up. It's taking a little water bath. I don't know what the rules are regarding animals on the Capitol grounds, but no one appears to be having a problem with it.
But technically on the street.
Yeah, well, then. Oh, that looks like an Antifa crowd. I'll wait till they come up here.